Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Let us analyze the stocks, Nifty, and study together for a better future, a better trade, risk management, the swing trade analysis, etc. in this channel. Welcome back to the El Dorado swing trade analysis. Today, the date is May 11th, 2026, and the time is 9 a.m. The market is about to open at 9:15 and pre-market opening should be at 9:07 a.m. Let's don't wait for that. We can just directly go to the some stocks. Exactly five stocks I picked, and we can analyze and just arrive at a conclusion about whether it should wait or should enter the trade or should avoid the trade, etc. as per our educational purpose only. Okay, let's moving to the directly to the stocks. The first one is Eicher Motors. First Eicher. Okay. Previously, I just drew some support levels and an entry here. The trade is already running. Okay. I'm not removing the drawings here. I'm just analyzing my previous drawing. I'm not. I think around 2 or 3 months before I just drawn these lines, so I don't remember this, but we analyze my previous drawings now today. uh, Previously 4200 in this area there was resistance, and at 24th April it broke down and gave a around 20 percentage of movement in 70 days in a span of 3 months. It is good movement, right? Okay, then it gave a resistance here at 5000, uh, 5000 range, 5100 range, and when it broke it gave a pullback and broke and pullback, and again it gave a resistance over there, and it gave a breakout from here in this range 5600 and gave a decent return. Again, 20 percentage of up movement is was there. Again, it was trading consolidating there, and when it takes support on the exact area where it is 6,800, and it gave around 20%, I think. Around 19 percentage, 20 percentage exactly. So we can see a pattern of 20 percentage of up movement after resistance breakout or from the support itself. So we can expect this pattern repeat again and again. So we are not expecting it now because of the geopolitical tensions. Today, we the stock was in the support area, and because of some reason it jumped and entered the trade at 6,966, and my target was I set already at 13 percentage, 7,900, and it is running. So I'm not recommending, or I'm not saying anything to enter or just wait for it, because it's already in the running position. So I'm just analyzing my previous analysis and describing it to my fellow members and my friends. Okay, so there was a trade, and the trade analysis was this. So moving to the next one, escorts. Stocks. So it will show only the stocks escorts. There was previous drawings, there was no trade running, so I'm just removing everything. Okay, it was an uptrend, and it again make lower highs, lower lows, and it going to a downtrend. So here is a big support here. It already took the support in the shorter time frame. It go upward and took the support here, and where is resistance? Here is the resistance. So it is the middle of the resistance and the support here at 2600 is the support is there, 3600 is resistance is there. It is the middle of area, so we are not expecting anything here. We just avoiding this stock because it is a middle. Either we should buy at the support or we sell at the resistance. This is the basic principle of the stock market. So because of the it is running in the middle portions, so I'm not taking this one. not taking this one. So if it may come here and break out this, maybe I will just enter a trade here. 14 percentage. So we can just wait for some couple of weeks to be here. So moving on to the next one. Next one is the Exide Industries Limited battery. In 2024, my analysis took 20% of target, and after that, it was a huge spike of 72 to 80 percentage. I don't know the reason. Maybe some news or fundamental was very good at that time. I don't know. Let's move on to now. Here is support area. It was given a huge spike and it came back to where it was started and it took again support. So we are going for the short term. So here there will be the resistance. Okay, it took the support and going back, making higher highs. And if it breaks here, this resistance area around 400, if it break the 400 area, we will consider a trade up to here in this resistance area. Okay, so there is an opportunity in the Exide Industries, but we have to wait whether our technical analysis is good or not, correct or not. So we have to wait up to the breakout. And as per the education, for the educational purpose, my entry price is 401 and my exit price is 510 and my stop loss will be 330. It's a fair deal. Okay. Now moving on to the FSN e-commerce. Previously, that trade was in loss. Okay. It happens. Okay. And the overall trend, it was in a downtrend and getting the higher highs formation. So here is a resistance over here. There's a big resistance here, and there will be a support here. It is in a channel format. So whenever it breaks here, we will go for a trade, and the trade should be first target, second target. So in the term of percentage, it is 9% good. Then it will be 19 percentage good. The stop loss will be under this area. Okay, you should wait for this also. Like a good company. Next one is Gale. Gale Intermittent. The geopolitical situations affected it very much, I think. Exactly. It was in a down of 44%. Now it is in 30%. That's better. Okay, no problem. Now we don't know the support here. Here and the resistance is here. Immediate resistance was here. So we cannot trade. Okay, we can trade for a short term, right? If it is break out this area, then we can go for to here this resistance area. So again, it is a short one, right? At around 9% of target. If the price breaks out at 176 and the target is 193 and the stop loss will be 161. Okay, that's all. Let's wrap up the video for today. We analyzed the five stocks and we will come with another five stocks tomorrow. And let's hope for the best that our geopolitical tensions will stable and our indexes and stocks will go higher and higher, make us more money. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.